Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Just like Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters are said to be the backbone of Indian Air Force, the K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer is one of the backbone of Indian Army, and that's the reason it has been deployed in the forward areas in Ladakh along the line of actual control with China. The K9 Vajra-T is an Indian variant of K9 which is manufactured by L&T under license, which consists of 50% components including 14 major subsystems developed by Indian companies. India has added the fire technology systems and major electronics and enhancements in these guns. This K9 Vajra T has been customized as per desert conditions to suit the borders where it would be deployed. Their induction has given a huge advantage to the firepower capability of Indian Army on the country's western borders. We all know that India bought 10 units of K9 self-propelled 155mm howitzer from South Korea and assembled the same with the help of L&T and handed it over to the Indian Army. The manufacturer of this howitzer is Hanwha Techwin of South Korea. This company has joined hands with Indian companies L&T Limited to supply almost 100 K9 Vajra guns for the Indian Army. The 100th howitzer was delivered to Indian Army on 18th February 2021, completing the contract ahead of schedule. After completion of high-altitude trials in Ladakh under cold climatic conditions, the Indian Army is planning to order an additional 40 K9 Vajra T from L&T as of 2021. As per the latest update, it looks like both South Korea, who are the parent company of this howitzer, and India are going to join hands to export these reliable self-propelled 155mm guns to other countries. Both South Korea and India are cooperating to take these opportunities forward and seeing all possible options to export these guns to third countries. Exporting these guns is a win-win opportunity for the industries of both India and South Korea. So let's hope South Korea and India finish off all the formalities and steps to make sure these guns are getting exported to other countries. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.